Good morning children, this is your craft Utsav, and children, today you will do page number 7, that is caterpillar dot to dot. You have to join dot to dot and you have to make the wings of the butterfly. Caterpillar changes into a butterfly, children, remember. Alright, so we will start from number 1. From number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. After 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, after 28, 29, 30. After 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. Alright, so like this children, you have to join the dots. Cross means children you have to leave the space here, okay, because butterfly has 2 wings, so this shows that this is wing number 1, this is wing number 2. So like this you join the dots. Now children, what you will do, just make any design before coloring children. Instead of just coloring, you make any design. Like 5 to 8 I have joined like this, then 3 to 9 join like this, then 1 to 11 you can join like this, okay. And same way children, 4 till 31, 4 and 31 you join, then 2 and 33 you join. All right, here also you can join. After joining the lines children, now we will start coloring the butterfly. Before coloring the butterfly children, just see the colors that I am going to use. First let us color the branch with brown color. Don't forget to color the branch. Alright, color the branch with brown color. Now children, see, I have colored the branch with the brown color. Now I'll color the caterpillar. We use black, then little bit shading with brown, and this part children you color with yellow color. Okay, now we'll color the wings. For coloring the wings children, I'll use this magenta color, dark blue color, light blue color and yellow color. All these 4 colors I'll use to color the wings. Same way children you will also do. I have told you children, before starting coloring children, we should always do the outlining, very important. Alright, so first children we will do the outlining. Now children, just see, I have done the outlining of the butterfly, the wings of the butterfly with dark blue color. This is dark blue color children that I have used for the outlining. Now the lining children that I have made, that I'll fill with that lining. I'll fill light blue color in the lining. In the lining children you fill light blue color. Now children, the lining that I have made, I have filled that lining with light blue color. This is light blue color that I have used to fill the lining, and dark blue color I have used for the lining. Now children, what we will do the shading. For that children, I am using this magenta color. Okay, I have told you children, you have to learn the shading also. Like this children, you do the shading from the top. Children, if you are not able to do, I have told you, do it, practice it in your rough copy. All right, like this children, you have to do the shading of the butterfly. Okay, now from the top you do the shading with magenta color. From downward children, you do the shading with yellow color. You can do the shading, or you can fill the white part with yellow color, like this. All right, and children, you can also use a little red from here. All right, children, like this you have to color the wings. Okay, this is the first one that I have shown. Now this small one also I'll do. Again, I have told you, do the shading from the top. All right, then you fill this with yellow color. Children, practice in the rough copy. If you are not able to do, by practice only children we learn. All right, so all of you practice in the rough copy. Now from downward, very little children use red color, like this. Okay, same way children, you do this one also. Small place you do shading like this, small. Children, don't take help of your parents, otherwise how you will learn. All of you try to do on your own. Okay, same way children, this one also. This is only the top part that we can see, so the top part here you color with magenta color. No shading is required in the second wing children, because second wing is not visible. Design of the second wing is not visible, so only you do the top part. That is, you have to color the top part of the second wing with magenta color. Okay, and you can just fill little yellow also inside. Okay children, now same way children, you have to do all the parts. Same way you have to complete the wings. Now say children, I have completed. All right, so now children, I have already told you in drawing. Children, when we give for the final look, we always use black color at the last for the final look. So at some places children, you can use black color to give the final look. All right, to give the final touch, we say to give the final touch. At some places we do outlining, or you can say shading. To give the complete touch, we use black color to give the complete touch. Not everywhere we use black color children, only at some places we use black color to give the complete touch to our diagram, to our picture, to our drawing. Okay, so this is what children you have to prepare. This is how you have to color for today's date.